Children, see, here I am going to explain you a very important property of the cross product or vector product. Question is that show that vector product or cross product is anti-commutative. Anti-commutative means what? If you are taking A vector cross B vector, it will not equal to only B vector cross A vector. Because in the dot product you have seen A vector dot B vector is equal to B dot A, but here in cross A cross B is not equal to only B cross A, but it should be equal to minus B cross A. Means magnitude of A cross B is equal to magnitude of B cross A, but the direction is reversed. So the minus sign indicate that the cross product of A vector is just in the opposite direction to the direction of the B cross A. Okay. How? You see, here in this question, in this diagram I have taken, this is A vector and this is B vector. Both are lying in a plane. Okay. So which rule you are going to apply for the direction of the A cross B? You are going to apply the Maxwell corkscrew rule or right hand thumb rule. So when you are going to take A vector cross B vector, then you have to take the n cap unit vector which gives the direction of the A cross B. So see, A vector cross B vector can be written as AB sine theta n cap. Okay. So see how you will get the direction. Suppose I have taken, this is a screw, Maxwell corkscrew rule if you will apply. Okay. So you are putting the screw here, and A cross B if you are going to take, so you have to rotate the screw from A to B. Okay, means which direction? Anti-clockwise direction. So you will rotate it in the anti-clockwise direction. So when you will rotate this screw in the anti-clockwise direction, where is the motion of the screw? In the upward direction. So this direction basically we will say in the upward direction, because this page is in the 2 dimension. And this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So where is the z-axis? Z-axis will be perpendicular to this, because all the 3 axes are perpendicular to this. So if this is lying in the x-axis, this is lying in the y-axis, so this lying in the along the z-axis. So the direction of advance of screw by rotating it in the anti-clockwise direction will be upward. Okay. Or if you will apply the right hand thumb rule, so the curl of finger you will take from A to B. So where is the direction of the thumb? At this point it will pointing upward direction. So A cross B is in the upward direction. I have written this. Now see, this is a diagram of the A cross B cross A. The same vector we have taken. Now if I have taken this angle theta, so here also this angle theta. So what is the remaining angle? 360 minus theta. So you are taking 360 minus theta. So if you are going to write B vector cross A vector, so this should be equal to what? BA sine theta n cap. But see, in this condition you are taking B cross A, so you will take rotation from B to A. So if you will putting the if you are putting the screw over here, and when you are taking the B cross A, so from this direction if you are taking, so this will be the direction, this clockwise direction. So clockwise direction, when you will rotate, it will move down, screw will move down, just opposite to this direction. Here is it upward, but here you are taking the clockwise direction, so it is moving down. So direction is just reverse. Or one more thing we can do, if I am taking this condition, so we will write B vector cross A vector. What is the angle between B cross A if I am taking from here? B cross A, 360 minus theta. So this will be BA sine 360 minus theta n cap. And we know that sine 360 minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. So this expression can be written as B vector cross A vector is equal to minus AB sine theta. Okay, n cap. So what you have got? You have got the magnitude of A cross B and B cross is same, AB sine theta. but minus sign indicate that the direction is just reverse. You are observing this is the upward direction and this is at this point in the downward direction. So you will apply, when you will apply the B cross A from here, so you will rotate it like this, like this. So see, where is the thumb going? In the downward direction. According to right hand thumb rule, this is the direction B cross A. So where is the direction at this point? Downward. Thumb is pointing downward. So that is the direction of B cross A, which is just opposite to this direction. And hence this shows that vector product is anti-commutative. Hence A vector cross B vector will be equal to minus B vector cross A vector.